Hello, Cardano community. So, for those who would like to know, this is how you vote for the Interim Constitutional Committee from the CLI. All right, let's do it. So first, you go to the ICC election intersect mbo.org, where you're going to choose for your candidates. So let's do this. So I'm going to choose a couple of candidates. Yeah. So pretty much I'm gonna pick these guys. And then at the bottom, you click here on the CLI buyout upload. And from there, you're gonna be able to copy your selection. And then, very important, you grab this and you just bring it to your code environment. Or you could just like literally write it manually on your code environment. This is the pattern right there. So let's do it. So now from my code environment, I brought all my vote patterns and everything. And right, so now we're going to build our metadata.json, which will contain our vote. So let's do it. Open brackets. And then I'm going to add the metadata 674 for messages. All right, like this. And I just open it, another bracket. That's not a bracket. Curly brackets. And the field name is going to be params, like this. And then I'll open up an array. Here's my array. Oh wait, actually, since I brought my selections, I'm just going to paste it right there. But of course I want to make this pretty, so let's make it pretty, right? I want it to be pretty. All right, let's make it pretty. Pretty for my eyes. There you go. So here's my selection. There you go. Don't forget the comma. Next, I'm going to add another field, which is going to be called timestamp. And the reason is, if you ever change your vote, the timestamp is not going to be the same. It's going to be further in the future. So for the vote, actually, the vote that's going to be considered is the one that's the most recent vote, because of course you can change it. I'm going to save this for now, right? And I need the timestamp. What is it? So to get it, I'm going to put date. Yeah, that's plus percentage, then S percentage, 3 capital N. And there you go. I got my actual time in milliseconds. So I can just copy that. And then I get back into my metadata JSON and I paste it. There you go. I got everything I need. I just need to close my curly bracket there. There you go, just like this. And like that. And I got my metadata file ready. Save. And now we're ready to build our transaction. Let's do it. Cardano CLI Babbage. And it's a transaction command. Build raw, because of course we do it from the code environment, and I don't want to have to calculate the fee because I don't need, the only thing that I need to provide is the metadata plus my witness of my stake key. So, all right, I'm going to provide a transaction in. I'm going to use this one, the one they gave us. Next line, the fee, 0. And I need to provide my metadata JSON file, which I called metadata.json. Next, the out file name, that's going to be my body file. I'm going to call it transaction raw. That's it. I got my transaction. Now I need to sign it. So let's sign it, right? It's going to be Cardano CLI Babbage again, and then transaction sign. not sign, sign. There you go. And then I need to provide my transaction body file. There you go, which I called transaction.raw. What else? I need to provide my signing key file. And my stake signing key is called stake.sk. Right, just like that. So you use your staking key of your offline wallet from your cold environment, and I'm going to then call this file out file transaction.sign, like this. There you go. You got it right there. So to get exactly what they want here, you could actually just cat into it transaction.sign, and you could copy only the CBORX. Or if you want it, you know, in a way that you're not really going to break your head, you could just do this. Cat transaction sign, and then you pipeline in into a GQ command and you grab the CBORX. Again, it's up to you. So this is what they want. They want the CBORX of this signed transaction. So all you have to do now is you scroll down here and you make sure to copy this into, of course, a hot environment. So from your cold environment, you grab this and you also grab your address, right? So I'm just gonna cat payment dot address, and you're going to need the X and the address of your wallet, and you bring this to your computer, the one you're using for this, for the vote, right? And then you will just paste it there. So since this is not, for me, a real actual cold environment, but hopefully you're going to use yours as it should be, I'm going to paste the X here and the address of my wallet there, and you click upload. And there you go. Your vote is done. Congratulations! So I hope this video was helpful. And if you have any questions, put your questions in the comments. I will answer them as much as I can. Anyway, have a good one.